Hey, hello, Jeff from Smoking TJets. Here's what I got up on eBay next, guys. A full card, yep, that's right, full card of the Driven Gears, guys. Card's in pretty darn good shape for being 50 years old, guys. Very, very, very good shape. If you like collecting these things on the card, here you go. If you need some Driven Gears that are in pristine, minty mint condition, guys, they're right here. They're right here. Any of my auctions, as a lot of you guys know, if they end on the same day, guys, I combine the shipping for you. I've been asked that a number of times, but I do combine shipping on any of the auctions that end the same day. That way it's easy for you, easy for me as well. So, guys, if you want to go ahead and bid on these, feel confident about bidding, because I ship immediately. You win the bid, you win the auction, pay for it, boom. I ship this out right away, guys. All right, have fun bidding. This is Jeff from Smoking TJets.